I'm about to fry this chicken here and cook down with pumpkin. I'm about to make a little seasoned rice. So please stay tuned while I put the pot on the fire. So here I have the oil in the pot. I'm gonna let it hot, to put my chicken in to half fry. Seasoned rice. So here I'm about to put my chicken in the pot to half fry.
What is that then?
This event here come like crack, like you wanna.
And then what I house never stink up man with whatever you cook and never smell of food.
Yeah. But me can't help it right now. Because I have a crisis landlord.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So here my chicken going on. So here I am. You see my chicken on the fire? Yeah. Thing turn up. So here you have my pumpkin. About to go in there after the chicken done fry out. And of course, I make chicken Caesar rice with ackee. I was gonna put some spinach and callaloo in there, but the kids them say they don't want that today. That them eat that yesterday in the fish. You get me? So watch me while I do my thing. I'm the baddest chef in the world. My style is unique and creative. Yeah? You could do this however you like. A spoon of all-purpose, spoon of chicken flavor, a spoon of garlic, a spoon of onion powder, yeah, and a little pepper crumbs. And here you have the chicken, just to get a little golden crispy look. Alright, so tune in and wait while I serve you my plate. So here I'm about to pour out my coconut powder. I'm going to mix it out before I put it in the pot to boil with the pumpkin. My style, so my thing different. Feel me? Here I have the water and the fire, pour in the coconut milk. Here I'm putting in the pumpkin, coconut milk and the pumpkin. I boil a little, then I'm going to pour a little bit of Maggi chicken flavor noodle in there. So here I'm pouring in the ackee because I already washed it off in the strainer. It's off cooking it in here because I'm going to throw the coconut milk and the pumpkin on top of this. I'm doing this a different way. We have the coconut milk and the pumpkin boiling. Feel me? Here I pour it on there. I have a little green pepper. I'm gonna let this simmer. I'm gonna wash my rice because the pumpkin already cooked. I'm gonna let it simmer. Put in my rice. I'm gonna wash the rice right now. And I'm gonna put a little pumpkin noodle in there. Here I have my pumpkin noodle. Give it a couple minutes. Here I'm pouring the pumpkin noodle. Here I already washed my rice. So I'm using brown rice, not white rice. Here I have my rice. Pouring it out. I already put my thyme in. It's my California Carolina sister, my Carolina gold brown rice. And of course I'm putting a little all-purpose in. Of course I'm putting a little parsley. Of course a little ground turmeric. Not a lot. Turmeric is good for your health. And here I have the egg boiling. Because as I tell you, I'm making a different kind of seasoned rice. Feel me? Tune in. Here I have the rice drying down. So here I have the egg, putting the egg inside, stir up my pot now, you know, give it a little minute. Give it a couple minutes and then, you know, you can turn it off. Feel me? I'm letting it simmer down a little bit. I'm tasting it. It's so nice. I'm tasting the coconut milk. Oh my God. I remember I used brown rice, not the white one. Jeez. It's real bad one more time. Pot turn over. If this bad one more time. I'm cooking a girl. I'm proud of you. You can take the coconut milk in your chicken. I'm going to put a little black pepper on the top. Just a little bit of black pepper. Welcome to Jamilian Rich Creative Cooking Kitchen, where you find a variety of all kind of mixture. Welcome to Jamilian Rich Creative Cooking, where you find all kind of mixture. Feel me? No normal, yes, so. So give it a couple minutes to simmer down. Okay. So this is the finishing of my mix food. So here Jamaica gonna taste the food.
Wait. What kind of food is
this? This is coconut seasoned rice. You know, the Mexican way.
Okay, so here I am trying this Mexican seasoned rice and curry chicken.
No, the chicken cook inside of the rice.
Oh, so okay. So it's a Mexican seasoned rice.
Yes.
With coconut milk.
Yes. Tell them all.
Good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Taste the egg. What do you taste inside of it?
It's just, I think, seasoned with yolk.
With the yolk?
Yeah, this the yolk. It tastes cheese, right?
No, no cheese no in there. It tastes cheese.
Little
It's
cheese-
chicken.
Little cheese. Chicken inside the egg?
No, chicken in there.
Chicken is good. Thumbs up. You should try it. Like and subscribe.
Leave a comment.
Leave a comment.